In this video, I'll show you how to reconcile a bank statement in Xero, step by step. It's a simple but important task that helps make sure your accounting records match what's actually in your bank account. First, log in to your Xero account, and from the dashboard, click on Accounting in the top menu, then go to Bank Accounts. Select the bank account you want to reconcile, like your business checking account. Now, click the Reconcile button. Xero will ask for the ending balance and statement date from your latest bank statement. You can find these details either in your online banking or the PDF statement from your bank. Once you enter those, Xero will show you a list of all the transactions it thinks should be there, including deposits, withdrawals, and transfers. Now, go through each transaction and tick the ones that match your bank statement. Xero will automatically calculate the difference between your bank and your books as you go. If everything matches perfectly, you'll see a difference of $0.00, which means you're done. If not, double-check any unticked items or possible data entry errors. When you're finished, click Finish Reconciliation to save your progress. Thanks for watching.